Hello everyone, my name is Neelam Rajput from class 9. Today I am presenting a presentation and this presentation is given by Miss Juneshwari Sahu ma'am. Water pollution occurs when energy and other materials are released into the water contaminating the quality of its and other users. Effect of water pollution are dead animal, plant, harms of ecosystem, also climate change and global warming, drought, flood, more dishes. Water pollution caused when water bodies such as river, lakes, ocean, aquifer and groundwater get contaminated with industrial and agriculture influence. When water gets polluted, it adversely affect all life forms that directly or indirectly depend on this source. The effect of water pollution are not only devastating to people but also to animal, fish and birds. Polluted water unsuitable for drinking, recreation, agriculture and industry. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies due to human interference and action that lead to a disturbance in the cycle of our ecosystem. This contamination can take place due to a lots of reasons ranging from improper household garbage disposal to industrial waste or ignorance towards individual habits. Causes of water pollution. The principal source of water pollution resulting from exploration and production operations are sewage system, solid waste, industrial waste, domestic waste, oil industry, aquatic are some causes of this pollution. Conclusion and recommendation. Water pollution is a global issue and world community is facing worst result of polluted water. Major sources of water pollution are discharge of domestic and agriculture waste, pollution growth, excessive use of pesticides and fertilizer and urbanization. Global warming, as we know, is an increase in the temperature of our Earth's atmosphere. Simply, it means getting hotter. The scientific community believes that climate like global warming have occurred throughout Earth history and will continue to occur in the future. There are many factors responsible for global warming. Some of the factors are CFC, deforestation, pollution, overexploitation of resource, urbanization. Global warming defined as the increase in the average temperature of the earth due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The most harmful greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, hydrofluorocarbon. Global warming brings extreme climate change, result in flood, drought and other climate disasters. As humans are the main causes of global warming, we must not be ignorant and realize the global warming is real and very harmful. We must take a step in our daily life in curb global warming to the best of our abilities, including planting sapling, using public transport, etc. Deforestation refers to the cutting, clearing and removal of rainforest or related ecosystem into less biodiverse ecosystems such as pasture, cropland or plantation. The burning of tree is one of the faster process of deforestation. Deforestation helps promotes the soil erosion the almost zero levels which do increases after the process of deforestation. Trees actually reduce soil erosion to almost zero levels which do increase after the process of deforestation. Natural causes as hurricanes, fires, parasites and floods. Human activities as agricultural expansion, cattle breeding, timber extraction, mining, oil extraction, dam construction and infrastructure development. Effect on climate. Deforestation includes regional and global climate change. Climate has become warmer due to the lots of humidity in deforestation region and also patterns of rainfall has changed. Drought have become common. The water cycle get disturbed leading to life in forest and deforestation many species. Almost half of the world timber and cut trees up to 70% of paper is consumed by Europe, the United States and Japan alone.